So today, chicken thighs. Just got my Weber today. $15. I did. Let me show you. Yeah. See it? Get you some Vita water with coconut. And then they got them with the pineapples and the coconut little pieces. So, it is 70 degrees out here. 70 degrees in South Scottsdale. That grill, the grill is working, but the hot tub, we gotta get a couple parts for that. The hot tub, I gotta get a couple parts for that. A little pit right there. That hot tub, you got the steps. Got the steps. But the hot tub, it needs some more tender love. All right, y'all. So I'm going to get back over here. Nice day today. I'm off all week. Next Wednesday, Matthew 17. The following Friday, 20 minutes of prayer. Weekly, I will be doing 7 minutes of tongues every week on Monday. It'll be Monday right after the Christian Sabbath. Take care. Here it is. Look at this. Fries have these. Southwest Ranchero Spaniard beef steaks from Mexico. All right, be blessed.